Hello students, welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue the study of mathematics part first chapter 1 sets video 5. Myself Alka Narayan Patekar from Mahatma Phule Vidyalaya Lavle Taluka Mulshi District Pune. In previous video we saw the examples in practice set 1.3. Today we are going to learn the operations on sets. Intersection of two sets. Definition. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of common elements of set A and B. It is denoted as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. The sign of intersection is this. Here set A intersection set B is equal to the elements are the common elements in set A and set B. For example, set A is given the element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and element of set B are 2, 3, 6, 8. Let us draw Venn diagram. Here set A is shown. Element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and element of set B are 2, 3, 6, 8. In set A and in set B. Here common element is 3. So A intersection B, the element is 3. So from Venn diagram, the element 3 is common in set A and B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to element is 3. Properties of intersection sets. First property, here set A is given. Element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7. Set B is given. The element of set B is 2, 3, 6, 8. In set A and in set B, the element 3 is a common element. Therefore, A intersection B is 3. So, first property is A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Means the element in A intersection B and element in B intersection A are same. Second property, set A is given. Element of set A are 2, 4, 6. Element of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A intersection B means the common elements in set A and set B are 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 are nothing but the element of set A. So from this, second property is if A subset B means set A is the subset of set B, then A intersection B is equal to set A. Third property, set A having a element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and set B having element 1, 3, 5. If we write the intersection set, the elements are 1, 3, 5. So the element of intersection set A intersection B are 1, 3, 5 is equal to set B. So third property, if A intersection B is equal to set B, then B is a subset of set A. Fourth property, A intersection B is a subset of set A, and A intersection B is a subset of set B. Here in this Venn diagram, if we see here A intersection B element is 3 is the common element. So A intersection B is the subset of set A and also A intersection B is the subset of set B. Fifth property, here set A is given. Set element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7. If we write the complement of set A, the elements are 2, 6, 8. If we observe the element of set A and element of complement of set A, there is a no common element in these two sets. Therefore, A intersection complement of set A is equal to empty set. So the fifth property is A intersection of complement of set A is equal to empty set. Sixth property, A intersection A is equal to set A. Means intersection of set A itself is the set A. Property 7, set A intersection empty set is equal to empty set. There is a no common element in set A and the empty set. So the intersection of set A and the empty set is the empty set. Disjoint sets. Definition: if the two sets have no common elements, then the two sets are said to be disjoint sets. For example, set A having the element 1, 3, 7, 9 and set B having the element 2, 4, 8. The elements in these two sets are completely different. Here in set A, the elements are 1, 3, 7, 9 and in set B, elements are 2, 4, 6. In these two sets, the elements are different. That is, A intersection B is equal to empty set. The sets A and B are the disjoint set. By Venn diagram, the disjoint sets are shown. Here, set A having the element 1, 3, 7, 9 and set B having the element 2, 4, 8. Here is no common element in these two sets, therefore set A and set B are the disjoint sets. Union of two sets. Definition: the union of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of set A and all the elements of set B together is called the union of two sets. It is written as A union B and read as A union B. For example, set A having the element 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B having the element 2, 3, 6, 8. So A union B is equal to the elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the elements in set A and set B together form a union of set A and B. By Venn diagram, here set A is given. The element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B is given. The element of set B are 2, 3, 6, 8 and union of two set is A union B is altogether the elements of set A and set B. Properties of union sets. First property, A union B is equal to B union A. If we take a set A as a element 1, 3, 5, 7 and set B as a element 2, 3, 6, 8, the union of these two sets, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A union B is equal to B union A, and set B having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union of these two set A and B, the elements together are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the second property is the A union B is equal to set B. Here the element of A union B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the element of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Elements are same. So second property is if A is a subset of set B, then A union B is equal to B. Third property, if A is a subset of A union B and B is a subset of A union B. Means here in this example, A set having a element 2, 4, 6 are the subset of A union B. Means here set A is the subset of A union B and set B having a element 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a subset of A union B having that element. Property 4, A union complement of A is equal to universal set. Means here element of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and element of complement A are 2, 6, 8 is equal to the U means the universal set element in set A and A dash together is the universal set. Property 5, A in union empty set is equal to set A. The number of elements in a set, let A be a finite set. Set A having a element 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The number of element in set A is denoted by n into bracket A, that is if we count the elements in set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, number of element in set A is equal to 5. Let B is the set having element 5, 7, 9, 11. Therefore, the number of elements in set B are 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the number of elements in set B is equal to 4. Number of elements in union and intersection of sets. Number of elements in union of set A and set B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in A intersection B. Means number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B is equal to number of elements in A union B plus number of elements in A intersection B. If you found this video helpful for you, then like this video and subscribe my channel.